Welcome to Throwback Thursday. This is an international collaboration between a number of YouTubers who come together to resurrect some old footage. Please have a look at the other videos on this month's playlist. There will be a link in the description below. And there will be a rectangular card to click on at the very end of the video. Grindavik, first settled in 934 AD, is a town that is based around the fishing industry. They serve the best fish and chips in Iceland.
So after a 45-minute bus ride on the cattle wagon, we have now arrived at the Blue Lagoon. Just kind of trying to work up the muster to strip down and get into the thermal waters with hordes of people. It's very nice and quiet here at the moment, but I think wherever it is we're going to be bathing is going to be a little bit more busier than where we are right now. See you later.
The Blue Lagoon is a thermal spa using geothermic energy. Vik is the southernmost settlement in Iceland. It is also the warmest place. The iconic black beach and rock formations are worth a visit. Þingvellir is the site of the ancient Icelandic parliament. It is also the location of the current boundary between the North American and the Eurasian tectonic plates. This location was featured in Game of Thrones.
Driving through the national park. We've seen the tectonic plates where we have the massive fissure between the American and European side of the continent, and we're now driving to find the Geysir.
Geysir. This is where we get the English word geyser from. Geysir is another Icelandic feature that is brought to us by geothermic power. We enjoyed a tasty meal at the nearby visitor centre for about £18. The capital city of Iceland, Reykjavik, at night. Plenty to see and do here. Why not visit the Icelandic Punk Museum? The best hot dogs. A £38 pizza. On our last day, we toured the Keflavík Peninsula and took pictures of some of the buildings, lighthouses and fishing vessels. Fishing is big in Iceland. Rainbow sculpture at the airport. Cheers. Landing at Gatwick. Thanks for watching.
Remember to follow us on social media.
Subscribe to our channel
Give us a like.
and turn on notifications.
Bye.
Bye.